Yeah, the hood is up, it's on ramps, and it looks like a mess. But point is, yeah, I decided to do an update. Well, this is a kind of an update per se, because last week about how the head gasket was going, and well, it was going, but it wasn't gone. So, but I figured just do a PM on this. I mean, change the oil, did the filter, flush the radiator out, put some new radiator fluid in. Radiator fluid, antifreeze. I drained it. Anybody want some Mountain Dew? Just kidding. Don't drink this, kids. And also, what I did, if I can find it, it was somewhere. Okay. Well, there's the oil. And when it was draining, didn't look like milk. So, like I said, I kind of got to prevent it before it even happened. But just in case, I bought some of this stuff. I mean, figured why not? Give it a try. I mean, it's most trusted since 1947, so it has to be good. And you know they're trying to be good when they're even calling out the head gaskets on a Cadillac North Star. Yeah. Used on hard to stop leaks, even on North Star head gaskets. Yeah. Shots fired. Shots fired. So yeah. I just finished running it for about 15 minutes or so. Focus. Focus. Thank you. And also, in Emerson Colley, you were right. Advance had that part. I mean, I figured why not, since Advance is literally within walking distance, like half a block from my house. And they had it. Though I had to take it back as it was the wrong one. The plug was different. And there went the mumble wrap. Anyway, yeah. So, I actually did install it. So, I do have a semi-working temperature gauge, but it's not I don't think it's actually readable, but who knows. Oh, sorry, the truck's still on ramps. Well, yeah, so. But, oh, shut up. So, yeah, I mean, I do have something. And when I did run it, like I said, there was no white smoke, but there was some water droplets. I don't know if you can see it. The sun is. Well, either way, there's a puddle from the antifreeze. So antifreeze exhaust pipe. So maybe there was some water that was purging out. Yes. But like I said, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, see how far it'll go, and maybe tomorrow morning go on a donut run, and maybe hope and pray that it works. And if it doesn't, well, like I said, 305s are a pittance. You can get them relatively cheap. Because, like I said, nobody wants the 305 in their Chevy. They want a 350 or a 454 and all that stuff. So, time for a video update. Yes, last time it's like I had it in pieces, and now it's running. Seems to be running a little better. There was the hose. Ooh, that's hot. And firm. Ladies. And it's not stalling. But as for the temperature gauge, in case you're wondering, that's about as high as it'll go. I think I showed it off, but yeah. So I don't know if that's normal or what. And get this thing in focus, please. Focus. Whatever. But yeah. But at least the temperature gauge does work. And like I said, Emerson, you were right. It was at Advance. So, yay me. But what bothers me the most, I think I showed it off. Is that normal? I mean, droplets, whatever. I don't know. Hey, get inside and put some gas in. Get inside and give him some gas.
What? Give him some gas?
Yeah, give him some gas. What? Give it a little bit of gas. Yeah, rev it a little bit. Okay, when you rev hard, it was white smoke, but so there's still some work to be done. So yeah, some work to be done. Thank you. So still a work in progress, but it's not out of the woods yet. And I'm not done yet. So, till next time, thanks for watching Combat.